Rio Grande. Do you know it's been over 20 years since that beautiful train was operational? To see it rolling into our station this morning, well, that was a sight I'll never forget. My granddaddy was one of the first train drivers to have the privilege of firing up that old engine and driving that beautiful route across the country. I grew up hearing him tell wonderful stories about the places he saw. He would say he wasn't so much taking passengers to new destinations as helping them find new lives. I was always fascinated to hear him tell of that fabled town at Tornado Springs where people lived in the eye of the storm, building and rebuilding, striving to make the land their own, to make it thrive. And it became my purpose to come here and join the people in their noble efforts. Little did I know at the time, I would be lucky to be elected a governor of those people. And now it's my privilege to announce that the Rio Grande has been beautifully restored, is fully operational, and will be bringing tourists to Tornado Springs this coming season.